Guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to explain what are web security considerations and what are web security approaches. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. Let's start our video. See, web security considerations. See, the web is very visible. The World Wide Web is widely used by businesses, government agencies and many individuals. But the internet and the web are extremely attacked by threats. See, that mean, see, web is very visible mean each and everyone can access internet. See, many of the business organizations, government agencies and many of them are using internet. But there is problem that among these people there are some hackers who are using internet in order to hack information. See, complex softwares hide many of the security faults. Web services are easily to configure and manage. Users are not known about risk. See, there are many of the complex softwares that are available. So this complex software hide many of the problems, that is many of the security problems, and these web services are easy to configure and manage. See, there are so many web services which are available. See, these web services are easy to configure and manage, so that by managing the risk, users cannot know about the risk. See, this can be described as passive attacks, including eavesdropping or network traffic. See, eavesdropping on network traffic between browser and sender and gain access to the information on website. That is to be stopped. See, that mean, see, I will give an example. See, passive attacks mean, see, attacker who is gaining access to the information and then modifying or deleting particular information. See, for example, this person is user A and this person is user B. See, this person want to send some sort of message to user B through internet. So what hacker do is, hacker gain his message. For example, message is like hello message. So what this user sees, this person user sees hacker. He gain the message of user A and then modify the message. He modify the message as give 100 rupees, like that. He modifies some sort of message and then he send to the user B in name of A. This is one of the example of passive attack. See, another one is eavesdropping. See, eavesdropping is nothing but hacker perform eavesdropping. See, for example, this is user A accessing website. So attacker perform eavesdropping on this website. So whatever information entered by this user A is sent to the attacker. This is known as eavesdropping. So that is to be stopped. See, we need to stop all these activities which is performed by hacker. Active attack. See, active attacks are nothing but, see, attacker do not do any modifications or any deletion of messages. Attacker just watches what person is doing. This is known as active attack. See, active attacks include behaving as another user and altering the messages in transmitting between client and server. See, for example, when one person is sending message to another person, then this message is going to stop by hacker. This is known as active attack. See, the web needs security mechanisms to address these threats. Threats are nothing but problems or attacks. So we need to give some security mechanisms in order to identify these attacks. Web traffic security approaches. See, there are various approaches are used for providing security to web. That is, there are so many approaches available in order to provide security to internet. One of the example is IP security. IP stands for Internet Protocol Security. This is one of the security mechanism which is used to provide security to internet. See, following is a table that shows comparison of threads on web. See, these are the threads that are present in internet. First one is integrity. See, integrity means modifying of user data or Trojan horse browser or modification of memory and modification of messages. All this comes under loss of integrity. See, this is parameter is loss of integrity. See, these are the problems and what are the effects. See, loss of information is one effect and auto accepting message is one effect and damaging all the files is effect. See, these three are the effects of this integrity, loss of integrity. So how can we achieve integrity? We can achieve integrity by using cryptography technique. See, you need not to write all these examples. You can write one example in exam and explain that example clearly. See, next parameter is confidentiality. Confidentiality is nothing but keeping data secret. See, loss of confidentiality means, see, when loss of confidentiality occurs. 1. Eavesdropping on the net. See, when attacker perform eavesdropping on internet, then loss of confidentiality occurs, as I said in before example. Next one, stealing information from server, stealing data from client and stealing information about the client and knowing network configuration. All this comes under loss of confidentiality. See, what are the effects? Loss of information and loss of privacy. These are the effects. See, how to prevent this loss of confidentiality. We can prevent loss of confidentiality by using encryption. See, and third parameter is authentication. Authentication is nothing but verifying the user is known as authentication. See, what are the threats? Threats are nothing but problems on loss of authentication. See, attacker introducing himself as a user is known as loss of authentication. Next one is data forgery. That is nothing but hacker who steal the data of user and then accessing his information comes under loss of authentication. See, what are the problems or consequences? First one is getting false information and next one is believing that this false information is valid. See, for example, when hacker try to access the information, then this hacker send false information to the another users. So what these users think is that this message is sent from actual user, but this message is not sent from actual user. This message is sent by hacker. This is nothing but getting false information and believing that false information is valid. See, how we can prevent this loss of authentication by using cryptography technique. Cryptography is nothing but encryption. And fourth parameter is denial of service. See, denial of service is nothing but damaging the service. See, threats, killing of users threads and flooding machine with unwanted request and memory full and DNS attacks. All this comes under denial of service attack. See, the name itself says denial of service means stopping service. If attacker perform denial of service, then users cannot access particular service. See, what are the effects? Interruption, that is that website do not work. Second one is causing irritation. See, when this denial of service attack occurs, then we get irritation. Next one is work we are doing is stopped automatically. These are the three effects of this denial of service. See, how we can prevent this. See, there is no this is very difficult. This is very hard to prevent this denial of service attacks. There is no solution to prevent denial of service attacks. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.